The greatest adventures aren't measured by the distance we travel, but by the memories we make along the way. This isn't just a trip into the wilderness. It's our first canoe trip together, just father and son. We'll paddle across quiet waters, line shallow creeks, hike a mountain, spend time fishing, and enjoy sunsets by the fire. And in between all that, there will be moments we don't even realize we'll remember forever. One day when he's older, we'll look back on this trip and realize this is where it all began.
Okay, it's a beautiful day to start our canoe trip. We're here at Duncanson Lake, and we're going on a 4-day adventure with a goal in mind. And what's our goal?
Go to Maple Mountain.
Yeah, we're gonna climb Maple Mountain, camp out on some lakes, do some fishing, and enjoy a nice good canoe trip. First ever father-son trip. That rope, you don't want to take off on you. Well, looks like we got a beaver dam, bud.
Yeah.
You got a good step. Okay, try to pull the canoe up over the beaver pond. Keep pulling it full.
That was fun.
Oh yeah, that's our path over there.
Right here?
Yeah.
We're going down it. Come on. Oh my, I just fell. Can we please go down this one?
Well, you can't.
Why?
We're gonna go over here. Good job. Right on.
Yes, we are.
We can try it. Oh. Hudson's first portage. Are you ready, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah? Give me a thumbs up. First portage is in the books. You ready? Let's go. Portage of the day. These two, but they're going to be easy. Then we get into Oldville Lake, where there's northern pike and walleye. And then there's this little creek here we're going to go, and then we've got Tupper Lake. And we're going to try to stay in this one right here. Last portage of the day is done. Now off to Tupper Lake to set up camp. What's for supper tonight, bud?
Cheese lasagna with cut up sausage.
Right on.
What was your favorite part of the day today?
Probably swimming.
Yeah, that was the best part?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me was traveling down that creek, you know, where we had to line and then hop over rocks and hop over beaver dams. That was pretty cool for me, with the cool views of the forest fires and the burns and all the cliffs. No mosquitoes. Hey, we're doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyways, that's it for tonight. See you in the morning. Good night. Good morning, bud. Time to get up. Hey, Huds. Are you ready to get up? Maple Mountain's waiting for you. How'd you sleep? Ready for an adventure? Yeah. All right, let's have breakfast. Thank you. George. Right straight ahead, in front of Hudson, is Maple Mountain. That's where we're headed. Let's go.
That's Tupper Lake, where we camped last night. And over there is Homeward. That's where we're going to go today. Oh look, you can see a boat on the lake, on the big lake on Lady Evelyn. Pretty cool, eh? Beautiful up here, eh? We did Maple Mountain, buddy.
Got lots.
Lots? Alright, we'll add a little bit more. There we go. Right on. What do you think, bud?
It's gonna be delicious.
Yeah, breakfast tomorrow. Pancakes with blueberries.
This is where we're gonna be sleeping tonight. It's day 2. We're gonna set up tarp over here tonight sometime. I don't know when. Because tomorrow morning it's gonna start raining.
How's the chicken Alfredo, buddy?
Good.
You like it?
Yep.
How'd you enjoy your hike to Maple Mountain today?
Loved it.
Yeah? It was a big climb, eh?
Yep.
Yeah? Did you have fun running down the hill?
Yeah.
I couldn't even keep up to you.
Yeah.
Well, that was a great day.
Yep.
I had an awesome day. You?
Yep.
Right on. Okay, changing it to diamonds and last card.
Change to spades.
Alrighty. So what was the highs and lows of today, buddy?
Mine high was on top of Maple Mountain,
Yeah?
blueberry picking,
Yeah?
and my low is probably paddling in the wind, trying to get to our campsite.
Okay.
Yeah.
Me too. My high was definitely the top of Maple Mountain because I've always wanted to climb that mountain. So that was my high for sure. And the low was probably the same thing as you. Not being able to fish tonight because of the wind.
Yeah.
But we made the most of it, eh? We
Yeah.
did some swimming and
Yeah.
jumping off the rock. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
Now what are we off to?
Well, fishing,
And what are we looking for?
bass.
Yeah. You never caught a bass before.
Nope.
And you want to catch one.
Yep.
So let's go get one. There we go. It's a greasy little pike. A little bass, tiny little one. What's this small, tiny little pike again? Ooh, it's a walleye. Nice walleye. Hudson might have beat me at cards, but so far I'm beating him at fishing. Beauty walleye. Hey, Huds,
Yeah.
we got lunch.
This gotta be a red pine. Like right closest to the shore.
Hey, Hudson's trying out the kayak paddle and seems to be going pretty good. How do you like it, buddy?
I love it.
Yeah? We're going a lot faster, eh?
Yeah.
Easier on you?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, Hudson's onto a fish here. Good job, buddy.
Oh, walleye.
No way. Awesome. Last portage of the day. What were you saying about them, Huds?
They're going by super fast.
Yeah, they are. And what are we doing at the end of this portage?
We're gonna cook our fish that we caught.
Yeah. We're gonna have a shore lunch before we head out onto Anvil Lake and fish Anvil Lake for the day and then find a campsite. You'll push the boat downwards. I'm gonna try a little bit of spice that Hudson made me for Father's Day. Thanks, Huds. Bit of walleye with Hudson's special spice. Perfect. Good job, bud.
Thanks. Is that a waterfall?
What do you got? A big one?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Ooh, a bass! That's a big bass. Where's bass? And it's a huge one.
Okay. Nice catch. Your first bass.
Yep.
Beauty. So it's been raining all day. We did a weather report. It's supposed to be rain showers for the rest of the evening and a cool morning tomorrow. So this was supposed to be our last night. We decided we're going to head to the vehicle because it's early morning and a short trip to the vehicle tomorrow anyway. So we thought it would just be best. We're both soaked. We've caught our fish. We've enjoyed our trip. And now we're going to cruise back. Hopefully we can get back before dark.
As this day comes to an end, I can't help but think about what our favorite part of the day was. I know Hudson would say catching a nice bass was his favorite part, and what a perfect way to wrap up the adventure. For me though, my favorite part came in the form of an answer. When I asked Hudson if he enjoyed the trip and if he would want to do it again, he replied, "I loved it. Next time, let's do a bigger one, like 7 days, and camp somewhere different every night." I knew right then and there that the trip was a success. Not just because of the fishing, the camping, or the canoeing, but because we share the same sense of adventure. This will always be one of my favorite trips, and it's a memory I know I'll cherish forever. Until next time.
You made it, buddy. That was fun.
Yeah.
Thanks.